Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill the Diva, and today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial which is perfect for beginners, and this is gonna be for the video I posted on Wednesday. I'm gonna start off by shaping up my brows, and I'm using my Got To Be Glued brow gel for that. I then use my NYX brow pencil to add some strokes into my brows. I really don't need to do this, but sometimes I like to do it just to make them stand out a little bit, if you know what I mean. It usually just depends on how vibrant of a makeup look I'm going for. And since it's the holiday and I want my makeup to stand out, I thought it was the perfect moment to, go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to clean up my brows using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I'm using the same concealer now on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. And now I'm using a wet sponge to blend it out. Now I'm setting the concealer on my eyelid using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And when you're doing your makeup, anywhere you add concealer, you want to set that with setting powder. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place palette, and this one is called the Warrior. As I use them, I'm going to be marking them on the screen with a X so you guys can see or know which one I'm using at the time I'm using it. So as for this dark shade right here, I did not realize that I wasn't recording when I was putting it on. So yeah, that's the shade I used next. And so now I'm going to be going in with this gold shimmery shade right here. I want this makeup look to look a little festive. So, the gold shimmer is definitely going to do it for me. And right here, I'm going back over the darker side with the darker shade that I showed you guys earlier. And I'm just blending it into where I applied the gold shimmer. And I'm going to keep blending it until they're both blended together. For my inner corner, I am using the shade here in the middle. And I'm just dabbing it on and, lightly rubbing it in to apply it on. Now I'm going to go in with my Baby Skin by Maybelline, and this is the primer that I'm going to be using today. As you can see, I already added some eyeliner and lashes off camera. And when you're doing your makeup, I cannot stress this enough. You want to make sure you use a good primer underneath your foundation to make it last. Now I'm going to go in with foundation, and the one I'm using today is by Maquillage. This bottle is almost finished, and that's the reason why I'm applying it like this. Now I'm going to go ahead with my wet beauty sponge and blend this foundation out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer onto my face, and then I'm going to set that concealer with my setting powder. Here I'm setting my concealer with the setting powder from earlier, and whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just gonna use it and dab it all over my face. And now I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer to warm up my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some blush, and this one is from Il Makiage. Now I'm going to go in with my highlighter from ABH Cosmetic, and I'm just going to apply some on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, under my eyebrows and my Cupid's bow, you know, just to give this makeup look some sparkle, some sheen to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lip with this lip liner, and whatever lip liner works for you guys, just go ahead and use it. Here I'm using a lip brush to blend out the lip liner so it doesn't look so harsh, and afterwards I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipstick. The lipstick I'm using for this makeup tutorial today, I am not exactly sure of the name, but it is from NYX. I will get the exact name when I can, and I'll put it in the description box. Here I'm going in with some lip gloss over that lipstick because I want my lips to look glossy for this makeup look. Lastly, I'm going to spray on some Dewy Finish setting spray by NYX on it. Then I'm going to dry it down a little bit with my fan and go change, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is the finished look of this makeup tutorial, guys. I really hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment box, guys, what you think. Let me know if this is something that you would try, especially now for the holiday, you know what I'm saying? And it's so easy to do. If you're a beginner, you could definitely follow along and get this look because it's really not that hard. And if you don't have some of the products that I use, you could always substitute for something else. Definitely know that you can do that. You really don't have to go out and get all expensive makeup product. That's not necessary. The hair I'm wearing in this video is already posted on my channel, so definitely check that out. I will be linking it in the description box of this video so it's easier for you guys to find it. Also, if you want to see the outfit, the entire outfit that I'm wearing, definitely go ahead and check out my TikTok. I will also leave that in the description box and here on the screen so you can find me easily. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching today, and I hope you do come back for other videos because I have them coming, believe me. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.